So why Ermetika? As minimalist interiors continue to grow in popularity, every detail within a space matters. As minimalist design isn't simply about using less, it's about ensuring that every detail has a purpose. This is where Ermetika really comes into its own. Ermetika's discrete architectural systems help to remove unnecessary visual interruptions, creating interiors that feel clean, spacious, and effortlessly modern. Pocket doors are currently one of Ermetika's most popular options. Instead of opening into the room, the door slides discreetly into the wall cavity, saving valuable space and creating a seamless transition between rooms. There are also two different pocket door styles to choose from. The Ermetika Evo Kit features an architrave around the door opening, making it ideal for anyone who wants the benefits of a pocket door whilst maintaining the appearance of a more traditional swing door. For an even more minimalist finish, the Absolute Evo Kit removes the need for an architrave, allowing the door opening to seamlessly fit within the surrounding wall. Ermetika's X frameless swing doors are designed to sit flush within the surrounding wall. When closed, they create a clean, seamless appearance. When opened, they reveal a sharp contemporary architectural detail. Then there's the Absolute Rush, Ermetika's innovative flush skirting board system. Unlike traditional skirting, it sits level with the wall to create one smooth, continuous surface. It's subtle detail that can completely transform the finish of a room. Pocket doors do remain Ermetika's most popular product. However, the Ermetika range also includes innovative systems designed to meet a variety of practical and architectural needs. The double pocket doors and the Staffetta system can help close off wider openings, while Absolute Smart offers a seamless solution for contemporary interiors. The range also includes the Evo Kit Fire system for projects that require a fire-rated pocket door. We'll be exploring each of these systems in more detail throughout the Why Ermetika series. Systems such as Absolute Rush are also bringing something completely new to the market. They offer the same combination of minimalist design and practical functionality, even though many people haven't heard of them yet. From space-saving pocket doors to seamless architectural finishes, Ermetika brings understated elegance and everyday practicality to modern interiors. Discreet, innovative, and effortlessly modern. That's why Ermetika.